Hello, this is Chris here, and don't be disheartened, I will still make random vlogs even though my username has changed to Pulse Independent. This is my wonderful rabbit, Millie and Molly. Two girls, nasty piece of work, even though I called one of them Mister the other day. Anyways, giving them some dry fruits and pellets and whatnot. And they seem rather hungry, so let's feed them, shall we? What's up with... No, you go that way. And it looks like it needs to be cleaned out a little bit. It's been recently cleaned as well. You love shitting, don't you, mate? Yes, you do. Yeah, look how cute it is. And... did you just jump down? The ramp's not even up. Somehow they just jump up. How the hell do you do that? Interesting animals. You can't really see them, can you? I don't know. And it seems like this needs oiling up. Yeah, it needs a bit of work. I have not been well lately either. Possibly need some medication to get rid of the cold. Yeah. Beautiful creatures. Animals or whatever you want to call them. Sorry that I've not put the light on, like the flash. But having fun over there, I know that. Anyways, get rid of that. It's cold in here. Let's put that back, and this is the old one that they've been using, and wash that. Yeah, Millie and Molly, I've had them for a good while. Previously we had a rabbit called Peter. Yes, we called it Peter, and it died unfortunately. It must have got too cold, and we might have forgot to put it inside and keep them warm. But it was a good old rabbit. It was like 6 years old. That's pretty old for a rabbit. And he was a good one. He wasn't nasty. He was just very horny all the time. And he was humping my balls. Not the balls that is attached on my body, but yes, he was like humping the old footballs that I've had. And sorry, I kind of put my finger in front of the camera. A little teeny weeny update. Got a minute left till this cuts off, and if it cuts off from what I'm about to say, I'm sorry. But anyways, yeah, I am looking forward to fix my laptop. All it needs is perhaps a new it needs a new motherboard, a new screen.